Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you want to free up space and speed up your Windows PC? Well, one of the easiest ways is by cleaning up temporary files. So here's how you can do it. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type %temp % and hit enter. This opens the folder that stores temporary files. Now press Ctrl plus A to select everything and then press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. You might get a few warning messages. Just skip any files that can't be deleted. Next, open Run again and this time type temp without the %sign. Press Enter and once again delete all the files inside that folder too. And that's it. You have just cleared a lot of junk and freed up some valuable space. Don't forget to do this regularly to keep your PC running smoothly. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.